I'm Adam.
I'm Nolan.
I'm Nick.
And we're Man.
Today, guys, is a very special video for us. This is the video that some people have been waiting for.
Like three. What? 3 people have been waiting for this.
Us.
But this is our 100,000 subscriber celebration. Yeah!
Dance, guys.
Feel this moment.
So today we prepared something so big, so crazy, it's gonna blow your mind. And what we're gonna do is...
Right now, guys.
Is it snowing? Is it snow?
Camera. Yeah, I don't... There's no camera.
Oh
Hello, man.
no. No.
No, it's me, Reed.
We watch iCarly. Oh, we know who you are.
Guys, Neville is just a character I played, and iCarly is just a TV show.
First off, it's a web show.
For the owner of Nevelocity.com, you really don't know your stuff.
Guys, I tell you this every time we talk, Nevelocity isn't a real website, and iCarly isn't real.
Take that back, you demon!
This is supposed to be a day of celebration. You know, you've really ruined the day.
Oh, no, he said it!
We knew you'd make us for the day eventually!
No, you guys heard me wrong. I said ruin the day. Ruin.
Fine, but what do you really want with us, Neville?
Please, stop calling me Neville. My name is Reed.
Fine. Reed, we have a couple questions for you.
Since you know the iCarly kid so well, who do you still keep in touch with from the TV show?
Yeah, the whole cast. I keep in touch with everybody. Just saw Nathan, who is awesome, out in LA a couple weeks ago, and it's great to stay in touch with the whole group.
Who?
Yeah, who's that?
Oh, Nathan, yeah, he played Freddie in iCarly.
Okay, that made absolutely no sense.
So let's try this again, Reed. What's your favorite memory with the iCarly kids?
Well, I think my favorite memory, there are so many, but probably getting nominated for a Kids' Choice Award, Favorite Villain, and I was up against some cool competitions, so it was a very fun night and a fun way to look back on all those great years of playing a total crazy person.
Since you're so obsessed with these characters, what do you think of the guy that played Neville?
Ooh, yeah, is he mean in real life?
You guys really are not getting this, are you?
Okay, Neville, explain how you just magically appeared on our screen.
I just called you on Skype 5 minutes ago and you accepted it.
Guys, look! Reed's calling!
Oh, answer it. Fine, 1 point for you, Neville.
Reed.
Neville.
Reed.
Neville.
Reed.
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 Darn it! 2 points for you, Neville.
Okay, we get it. You're Reed.
But before you crashed our party, we were gonna have a crazy dance party. Care to join us?
Sure. Okay guys, well I just want to say congratulations on 100,000 subscribers. Oh, and also one last thing. iCarly isn't real, it's just a TV show. Bye!
No! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up below. Also, click the screen right now to subscribe for videos every single Monday. And do it because Reed's here. All of our social media links, including Reed's, are in the description below.
And we also like to thank Reed so much for being in our video. This was honestly the best video we've ever shot. It's the greatest experience, and it was great having you.
It was awesome!
Also, Reed just came out with a brand new YouTube channel, so if you want to go and check that out, it's in the description. Also, Reed just came out with a brand new cookbook called Cool Bites. If you want to go and check it out, make sure to check out the link in the description to go and buy one.
Man TV rocks the airwaves!
Yes!
But I guess if we learned one thing from today...
My name is Reed, not Neville.